What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, our fire strategy, guys, we now killing a euro CAD, guys. This is crazy. As you can see, guys, I showed you guys how I took this trade, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know how I took this trade, you can go check out my previous video, guys. I was using the price action the time I took this trade, because I was using the price action because I want to teach you guys how you can take the trade using the price action. But me, I was already see what is about to happen when I was busy using the price action. Sometimes I compare the price action with the mobile strategy. Likely they always shows the same thing, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, guys, what I saw on the price action, the trend line was broken. As you can see, guys, the strategy that I made is giving everything, you know what I'm saying? The price action was saying that the trend line, because the market has been going on downtrend, it's been moving lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then block the trend line right here. And as you can see, guys, my strategy as well says that, you know, says that the market is now, it was at this point right here, which was a big opportunity to buy this currency. So which means the price action, what the price action shows me is the same thing my mobile strategy also will show me. So if you're new to the channel, you know, say you know how we do, make sure subscribe and make sure you like this video, you know what I'm saying, and make sure you learn something, guys, because this channel, guys, right here, I teach you guys everything, guys, how to make money forex market for free. You understand? And I don't hide anything, because, guys, I make money from the market, so I want everybody to make money too, you know what I'm saying? So this is just to show you guys how I was able to catch this this trade, you know what I'm saying? And I showed everything, guys. I showed everything. So right now, you know what I'm saying, as you can see the big move right here, you know what I'm saying? But please make sure you keep everything in mind, you know what I'm saying? And you can also get this this strategy right here. You can also get it, I think, from this video right here. Is going to be the second video, you know what I'm saying? Check my previous two videos, you know what I'm saying, before this one, and you're going to get the strategy that I'm using right here. I already share all the settings for the strategy. So this one, this market right here, the euro CAD, you know what I'm saying, euro CAD is the pair that I just took today. And then GBP CHF, I've been swinging this one for 2 days now. It's been not moving. I took this signal on Friday, but it didn't move that much, you know what I'm saying? So today is I think it's gonna be like a 30 day, you know what I'm saying, because I had to lock the profit on weekends, you know what I'm saying? I've been swinging also on weekends. I didn't close this trade. I just locked the profit, then I let it, you know, stay in the market. So yeah, so this is the thing, guys, you know. So right now what I'm gonna do, right now what I'm about, you know what I'm saying, so that I can be able to keep on holding this trade, you know what I'm saying, because of this trade is about to give like too many pips, because I would expect this trade to go up from here all the way to this point right here. So for this who doesn't know how the strategy works, maybe for the new views on my channel, this strategy, guys, I would like to introduce you to this strategy right here that I'm using, this mobile strategy. This mobile strategy is gonna help you to make money even though you don't know how to trade. All you're going to do is to wait the market. Once you already apply the strategy in your mobile in your MT4 platform, all you're gonna need to do is to wait the market to reach these yellow lines that you see here, and these yellow lines that you see here. The yellow lines that you see here is time to buy the currency. The yellow lines that you see here it's time to sell the currency. So if you want to learn more about this strategy, just check my previous video, my previous my previous two videos before this one. That video is going to show you everything about this mobile strategy, because I shared everything with you guys. And look at this. You see, every single time the market reach on these yellow lines is dropping, as you can see here. Let me show you more. Every single minute the market reach at this point is buying. You know what I'm saying? This is how you know the strategy, the powerful of the strategy. Look at this. Every single minute the strategy reach at this point is selling. You know what I'm saying? This is powerful. And as you can see, guys, as you can see everything, man. You can see everything, man. You know what I'm saying? So don't miss this out, guys. If you're already I'm sure this channel is gonna change your life. All you need is to make sure you watch everything that I'm dropping, you know what I say, because I hide no secrets. I always say this. I hide no secrets, especially as especially the video that the video I just dropped before the moment that I was taking this trade. I showed you guys everything on how we're going to make money from EuroCAD, and this is the same thing that happened, because the market says that was already break out the trend line right here, and then after the market break out the trend line right here, you know what I'm saying, now this is what happened. You know what I'm saying, we got a little bit pullback right here, a little bit pullback, and then after pullback, boom. We're kidding, guys. We're kidding, guys. We're killing the profit, guys. We're killing the profit. You know what I'm saying? So don't miss this out, man. Don't miss this out. You know what I'm saying? And you can join our free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. If you decide, you can join our VIP, where I always send the profitable signal, so you can make money same as I make money after you join our VIP group, because you're going to trade the same way as I trade. If I didn't trade, you're not going to trade, because if I didn't trade, which means the market is not good. And once I send the signal, you already know it's time to kill the market. Let's go, baby. As you can see, the strategy, as you can see, the profit is dropping. You know, it's dropping. Don't worry about that, because the market is always moving high and high low. You know what I'm saying? So now the market is trying to pull back so that it can come back strong. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it works, because a lot of people, they always feel like, yo, I'm losing my profit. Yo, I was in a profit of 100, now it's dropping 70. No, I must take this. No, don't lash, don't be like that. You know what I'm saying? Just trade as a profitable. You know what I'm saying? Take the signal. Once the signal hit your profit, it's good. Once the profit didn't hit your profit, it's good. It's all good, man. Like, don't trade with the pressure. You know what I'm saying? Don't trade with the pressure. That's the most important thing I can tell you. Don't trade with the pressure. And when you see yourself trading with the pressure, that means you still want to learn more. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you're going to look on the chart, but you're not going to take any trade, because you can't see nothing to take. You know what I'm saying? And when I don't see nothing to take, I don't take anything. I just chill. You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing I'm going to take on the market. So that's how you know that you already become a profitable. So peace out, guys. Make sure you join the free Telegram group, and make sure you join our VIP group, so that you can be able to kill the market together. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy when you make money, and I'm happy when I make money. So peace out. See you on next video. Right now, as we speak, I'm in my office watching another, more signals. You know what I'm saying? Expect more signals, VIP gang. You know what I'm saying? This week gonna kill the market without no cap, man. You know what I'm saying? So peace out, guys. See you on the next video.